Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So in today's video we are going to check out your energies for mid-month of July 2021. This is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. I'm going to check out your past, present and future energies in this reading. Plus we will be seeing your sun, moon, rising and Venus signs. So if one sign does not resonate with you, you can check out my other videos as well. Alright, so let's get started with your reading now. If you want to book a personal reading with me, you can go to my Instagram page by the name The Magical Aura. The link is given in the description box below, so you can DM me over there if you want. All right. Alright, so what's there for my Virgos mid-July 2021, please? Virgos mid-July 2021. Virgos mid-July 2021. One more. So the obstacle for you in the middle month is the Nine of Wands. Okay. And the overall energy for you is the Ace of Cups. Okay. So you might be in a zone where, you know, in this, because this has come up in your obstacle energy, so you have to be prepared. So obstacles might be there, okay? So you might be in a zone where you might be getting attacked by many people, so via verbally, via physically, it can be anything for some of you. So it's the time for, if you are in dire need of help, if at this time anywhere, if you feel that emotionally you are triggered, or physically you are triggered, mentally you are triggered, you might need some help, you should go and ask for help. Try to protect your zone right now, because Nine of Wands has come up in the obstacle energy. So I would not recommend you over here that just go and fight back for anything. It's the best time for you to protect your zone, protect your aura, protect your people around you. People might be coming over you, people might be shouting at you, but people might be really triggering you a lot this time. Okay, your overall energy is the Ace of Cups. So this can be because, you know, why people are triggering you more. I really feel that this might be a new emotional experience in your life. Might be you are involved in a new relationship, and when you will talk about it to other people, people might feel jealous and they will not support you. It can be your family members as well. So you cannot trust anyone right now in regards with your love relationships. So try to be a little disclose. Okay, sorry, try to be a little, not disclose, I want to say that try to be a little not telling to people, basically in that zone where you should hide your truth, whatever you are going through, whatever your energies are, whatever you are in a situation, whatever situation you are in. So you have to really not disclose that thing, whatever that thing is. Okay, so let's see now the energies from the universe, the hidden energies. So let's see, what is it? So we have the Two of Wands. So you might be planning a long-term goal, you might be taking new steps. So this might be in regards with this relationship. See, if you have long-term goals with anyone, any situation, anything in your life, do not try to tell to other people, because you are seeing the Nine of Wands in this middle month. So that means strong fire energies coming towards you, strong people, jealousy coming towards you. You have to be silent. Knight of Pentacles. See, this person is a very slow person. He works very slowly. He is very protective of his work. He is very loyal as well. You have to be there, okay? So just wait for the perfect timing to come and then disclose whatever you are going through, whatever you have planned for your future. Do not try to tell anyone what we are going through. Do not. You might be not surrounded with the perfect people. The world energy. So things seem that it seems like things are coming towards an end, or you might be going to get some accomplishment in your life. It can be in regards with a new job or new thing. So if this is love, so yes, the person with whom you are with is a person who is really trustworthy as well. So do not try to tell people, because people will not be really happy for you right now. Alright, so we have the past energies as the Ace of Wands, King of Pentacles, and the Magician. So yeah, things really started beautiful in the past, and it was like a new strong ignition, a new strong attraction towards somebody. This person might be a very very grounded person, might be a strong this earth sign is here. So we have Taurus, Capricorn, and Virgo as usual. You can also be this energy, but I'm seeing a strong Taurus energy more. So if you are really wanting to be a part of this person's life, so yes, this is a person, somebody who you have met already, a very charming and a mature person in your life. This started really fast, but yes, it really went good. You actually tried to manifest this person. You were manifesting a person in your life. You were not manifesting this particular person, but you were manifesting a better person, a loyal person, a person who is very compassionate towards you, who is very grounded, who is very loving towards you, and who has a very strong financial power as well. So you were manifesting someone in the past, and I think you got it. For many of you, there was a person in your life, very good. Okay, so let's see what is the present. The High Priestess, 4 of Wands, and 10 of Pentacles. Things are really, I don't think so that things are really wrong right now. I think that somebody is getting some intuitions from some other things. Basically, what I am really seeing, that this is a very happy, beautiful couple right now as well. I'm seeing that the things are very fine, but it can be like, somebody is trying to, with this High Priestess, somebody out of both of you is trying to be very inwards, like the way they were before. They might be very upfront with you, but now somebody is feeling that I'm not getting space in this relationship. Somebody has turned upside down. All of a sudden some changes are coming, and you have found this through your intuition. As Virgos, you are very strong, you have a very strong analytical power, and you are analyzing the situation. You are feeling that this person is turning inwards. Why this person is doing like this? Something is happening. I really need to find a way. So for those people who are going through this situation, your obstacle and your overall energy can also mean that, see, happiness is very good, that we do not want to tell everyone how happy we are, but sometimes sadness is also not really to talk to people about. So if you are going through this process, if you are going through this situation where you are not feeling so much comfortable with this person, with your person, with whom you met, with whom you were with before, and you might have also been married with this person now, if things are not going good, this is not the time to disclose that situation with anyone around you, because people might not be supportive. You have to protect yourself and your person, because this thing might be little fine after some time. I don't see a big bad situation coming up. Okay, so if you are going through this process, do not involve more people. It might make things worse. In the coming future, we have the Chariot, 3 of Pentacles, and Knight of Wands. So I'm seeing that you are going ahead and you are working on this relationship with your person. You are the one who is going towards this person. They are also wanting to work with you. Okay, but how to work and what to work, this is your decision, this is your planning which you have to make. Let's clarify now. Let's see, Virgos, what is going on? See, Virgos, I really feel that you might be over analyzing the situation. I don't know, but yes, I feel that if you found that something is fishy, yes, your intuition might be right, but it might be wrong as well. Okay, so do not try to involve more and more people in this situation right now. So let me check this Nine of Wands energy as an obstacle for my Virgos. Obstacle for my Virgos. Nine of Wands, please. What is this Nine of Wands energy? Sorry. Nine of Wands. We have the Eight of Swords, the Strength, and King of Pentacles. Yes, you are going inwards. Either you or your person is going inwards into themselves or yourself, and that is why from here the protection, somebody is feeling protected. It's more like somebody is not disclosing their true behavior towards you. They are trying to play hideous. They are trying. See, something is not right with your person. They might be going through some financial losses. They might be going through some other situation in life, but somebody out of you both, whosoever is playing this kind of a game, you know, the hideous game, this person is not going through a very good process, a good situation, and that is why they might be doing this to protect you as well. But right now all you need is to just stay calm and stay silent. If you want to see things, just start seeing things in a very different way, because things are not exactly the way they are looking. The situation might be very different as well. So what is the overall energy? Why this Ace of Cups is here? Why this Ace of Cups is here? Ten of Cups, the Devil, and the Lovers. Wow, what a combination. I think that, okay, so there's a very beautiful bond between two people over here, Lovers and Ten of Cups. So this might be you and your person over here, but you feel that either they are getting deviated towards somebody else, or away from you. You are feeling that they might be deviated towards somebody is being very, getting involved in some habits. Okay, so this is more about addictions. Might be drinking or smoking a lot right now, somebody. So that is why you are also feeling that your person is changed. For some of you only, you might be feeling like that because they are doing something very unexpected which they were never used to do before, and all of a sudden you see a different change of behavior in them, and this is the reason you are being over analytical in the situation. Let me check this King of Pentacles energy. This is a little bit fishy for me. I don't know why, but let me check. King of Pentacles. Three of Wands, Two of Swords, and the Ten of Wands. So you and your person were at a place, I think not you, sorry. Your person was at a place of indecisiveness in the past. Your person was feeling afraid. Your person was already in a lot of tension when they met you, I think so, but they might have not told you. They already have analyzed the situation. They knew something is going to happen, but they might not have told it to you. Let me check this High Priestess energy in the present. Tell me more about the High Priestess, please. Queen of Wands, Nine of Cups, and the World. Okay. Yeah, so everything seems very happy. It's more like the things which are seeming very happy, the reality is very different. And this reality you are talking about, see, I am really getting that your person has become very hideous or something, whatever the situation is. It's time to take action from your end, Virgos. It's more like you are analyzing. That is very good. You are at least understanding what the situation is. You are trying to understand, but the real truth is very different. I really want to know more about the present scenario. Why this Four of Wands is here? Because if things are really fine, then why it's not looking? The Hanged Man, Five of Pentacles, and Page of Wands. Yeah. Either you or your person, see, strong energies of being left out in the cold. You are feeling left out. You have started perceiving, you have started taking things in a very different way. You are seeing your person very differently right now, and that is why it is actually happening, because they are acting differently. They were the mature person and now they are acting very kiddish. I see immature energies coming up. Some of you might be dealing with a child in this situation, when a child comes, something like that, for only some of you. But it is more about a situation which was very beautiful, very mature. It looked so promising at first, and all of a sudden it is not promising as it used to look before. Yeah. Tell me more about the Chariot and future energies, please. Okay, so I have strong Cancer energies. Queen of Cups, the Empress, Seven of Swords. So we have Cancer, Taurus, and Cancer more. So this person with whom you are dealing with is hideous. Okay, so if you are involved, if you have strong intuition of some third party situation over here, it can be, when you are so happy with the person, and all of a sudden this person changes their behavior, you start feeling very different. You start feeling like, why this person is not emotional towards me anymore the way they used to be. And you feel that there might be somebody else involved, because the Empress has come up with the Queen. Whenever the Empress, for me, it comes with a Queen, it's a reminder of a third party situation, a person who is, strong mistress energies are coming up over here, because it has come up with the deception, the Seven of Swords, deceptive energy. So if you are feeling, I said it before, that things might not be the same, but being a Virgo, you have already analyzed, I feel that that something is wrong. And yes, it is wrong. I really want to say this, because at first I said that no, it might not be wrong, but yes, I really start feeling that something is wrong. If you are feeling it, your intuitions are right. Yes. All right, so let's see. Tell me more about the Knight of Wands energy, please. Two of Cups, Death, and the Three of Pentacles. So yes, third party situation, definitely it is involved. There's an ending. I don't know what ending this is. This might be an ending with something new or something old. It can be, because the soulmate energies are very strong. I really want to know what exactly this ending is telling us. Why this Death card is here? What ending are you talking about for my Virgos? Okay, so yeah, Ace of Swords, Page of Swords, and Eight of Cups. So you might got to know the reality via online, or you might be clearing out stuff between you and your person, and there is some walking away in the situation as well. When you get to know the truth, there's no, it feels like, I should not be at this space anymore. I have to leave this situation. I have to move away, because of the person's priorities are changing towards me. It looked really happy. You were so happy. All of a sudden, when the person's behavior changes towards you, you felt like now this person is no more the same person. And whatever your intuition is, Virgo, I'm telling you, it is right. Okay, so that is all from my side, my dear Virgos. I hope that helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.